Hi, today I will break down my network into three parts including, local area network, wireless network, and area for server. Review the network in more detail in this diagram. They work separately, which makes the network more efficient. To do this, it is necessary to split up small networks by using VLANs. In this example, I use VLAN 10, 20, and 40. Assign corresponding ports 1, 2, and 4. Corresponding to each VLAN will have different subnets. One 92.168.1.0/24. 192.168.2.0/24. 192.168.4.0/24. And so the local area network, wireless, and server are separate. But I want more. I want computers on the local network to connect to the server, so what should I do? First, name the small networks with corresponding IP addresses. Then configure the firewall to allow computers on the local network to access the server. As you can see, ping OK. Thanks for watching, don't forget like and subscribe.